Hey everyone, it's Amber here at Oil Life, and I'm here to talk to you about the 7th edition Emotions and Essential Oils. It is new and updated with the 12 essential oils that came out at convention of 2018. They have also updated some of the essential oil descriptions and added some new fun categories. One contains the 5 stages of healing here, which are essential oils assist in healing the physical body, healing the heart, releasing limiting beliefs, and increase spiritual awareness and connection, as well as inspire the fulfillment of our life's purpose. This is an incredible book, and it's amazing to help you heal your own emotions. And since this is February, we're all talking about love and who we want to be close to, we also need to take care of ourselves and heal that aspect of our bodies and our minds and our heart. They also have provided an awesome wheel that helps easily navigate how you want to feel or how you're feeling. And so on the front, there's the positive properties of how you want to feel, and on the back are the negative emotions that you might be feeling. And so you can coordinate it to the opposite so that you can feel the positive of those negative emotions. We also have been featuring some information about the I Am Fabulous book that also has to do with your well-being. It also contains stickers for all of the blends that are contained in this book and a tear pad for classes. So it would be a great class for February to help you with your business and everything to do with love. We also want to mention that we do have a class that you can register for on our website. It's February 19th for Emotions and Essential Oils. We hope that you all can make it on Zoom or live in person. Thank you. Bye-bye.